Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you fix could not sign in authentication failed in media and app purchases. If you're using any iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device and you are having the issue that you could not sign in media and purchases, let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first you have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection, or you can try to switch between your Wi-Fi and cellular, and you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make quick refresh into your network settings. And once you have done, you have to retry, or if you are still having the same issues, so you have to try to disconnect with your VPN. So open settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Now if you're connected, try to disconnect with that, and after that you have to try to update your software. So go for general, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software update. If you find anyone, try to update your software. And after doing that all, if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to select transfer reset, select reset, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and then select reset network setting to reset all of your network settings. So if there will be any issue into your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you are still having the same issues, so you have to go for screen time and try to disable all the restrictions. So go for content and privacy restriction and disable this toggle to disable all the restrictions on your phone. And after doing this all, your issue will be fixed. Or if you are still having the same issues, so you have to look for support app in your phone, or you can try to use website Apple Support. So I'm going to use an app here. You just have to select your iPhone and then select this more option, then select App Store, and from here you just have to select Get More Help, then select Call Us, and now you have to dial this phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to dial this phone number and discuss your issue with the Apple support team member, and you will find official help from there. So in this way you can easily fix your issue if you cannot sign in an Apple media and purchases. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.